The body. Listen and practice the words.
Head, hair, forehead, face, eye, eyebrow, eyelid, eyelashes, iris, pupil, cornea, ear, nose, cheek, jaw, mouth, lip, tooth, teeth, gums, tongue, chin, neck, shoulder, chest, abdomen, breast, back, arm, elbow, waist, hip, buttocks, leg, thigh, knee, calf, shin, hand, wrist, thumb, finger, palm, fingernail, knuckle, skin, nerve, foot, ankle, heel, toe, toenail, brain, throat, esophagus, lungs, heart, liver, gallbladder, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, muscles, bones, pancreas, kidneys, bladder, veins, arteries, skull, rib cage, pelvis, spinal column, spinal cord.
Model conversation. Listen and practice the conversation.
My doctor checked my head and said everything is okay.
I'm glad to hear that.
Additional conversations. Now listen to the additional conversations and then practice them using any words in the lesson you wish.
Ooh,
What's the matter?
my forehead hurts.
Ooh,
What's the matter?
my gums hurt.
My doctor wants me to have some tests.
Why?
She's concerned about my stomach.
Ailments, symptoms, and injuries. Listen and practice the words.
Headache, earache, toothache, stomachache, backache, sore throat, fever, temperature, cold, cough, infection, rash, insect bite, sunburn, stiff neck, runny nose, bloody nose, cavity, blister, wart, the hiccups, the chills, cramps, diarrhea, chest pain, shortness of breath, laryngitis.
Model conversations. Listen and practice the first conversation.
What's the matter?
I have a headache.
Now listen and practice the second conversation.
What's the matter?
I have the hiccups.
Listen and practice the words.
Faint, dizzy, nauseous, bloated, congested, exhausted.
Additional conversation. Now listen to the additional conversation and then practice it using any words in the lesson you wish.
How do you feel?
Not so good.
What's the matter?
I have a sore throat, I feel dizzy, and I've been sneezing a lot.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Cough, sneeze, wheeze, burp, vomit, throw up, bleed, twist, scratch, scrape, bruise, burn, hurt, cut, sprain, dislocate, break, broke, swollen, itchy.
Model conversations. Listen and practice the first conversation.
What's the problem?
I feel faint.
Now listen and practice two other conversations based on the first model.
What's the problem?
I'm congested.
What's the problem?
I've been coughing a lot.
Now listen and practice the second conversation.
What happened?
I twisted my ankle.
Now listen and practice two other conversations based on the second model.
What happened?
I think I sprained my wrist.
What happened?
My fingers are swollen.
First aid. Listen and practice the words.
First aid manual. First aid kit. Adhesive bandage. Bandage. Band-aid. Antiseptic cleansing wipe. Sterile dressing pad. Sterile pad. hydrogen peroxide, antibiotic ointment, gauze, adhesive tape, tweezers, antihistamine cream, elastic bandage, ace bandage, aspirin, non-aspirin pain reliever, CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, has no pulse, rescue breathing, isn't breathing, the Heimlich maneuver, is choking, splint, broke a finger, tourniquet, is bleeding.
Model conversations. Listen and practice the first conversation.
Do we have any bandages?
Yes. Look in the first aid kit.
Now listen and practice another conversation based on the first model.
Do we have any aspirin?
Yes. Look in the first aid kit.
Now listen and practice the second conversation.
Help! My friend has no pulse.
I can help. I know how to do CPR.
Now listen and practice another conversation based on the second model.
Help! My friend broke a finger.
I can help. I can make a splint.
Page 91. Medical emergencies and illnesses. Listen and practice the words.
Hurt, injured, in shock, unconscious, heat stroke, frostbite, heart attack, allergic reaction, swallow poison, overdose on drugs, fall, fell, get an electric shock, got an electric shock, the flu, influenza, an ear infection, strep throat, measles, mumps, chickenpox, asthma, cancer, depression, diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, hypertension, TB, tuberculosis, AIDS.
Model conversations. Listen and practice the first conversation.
What happened? My husband is injured. What's your location? 19 Center Street.
Now listen and practice 3 other conversations based on the first model.
What happened?
My mother has heat stroke.
What's your location?
7 Grove Street.
What happened?
My father is having a heart attack.
What's your location?
11 Pine Street.
What happened?
My daughter swallowed poison.
What's your location?
45 Oak Street.
Now listen and practice the second conversation.
My son is sick.
What's the matter?
He has the flu.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Now listen and practice another conversation based on the second model.
My daughter is sick.
What's the matter?
She has an ear infection.
I'm sorry to hear that.
The medical exam. Listen and practice the words.
Measure your height and weight. Take your temperature. Check your blood pressure. Draw some blood. Ask you some questions about your health. Examine your eyes, ears, nose, and throat. Listen to your heart. Take a chest X-ray. Scale. Thermometer. Blood pressure gauge. Needle. Syringe. Examination room. Examination table. Eye chart. Stethoscope. X-ray machine.
Model conversations. Listen and practice the first conversation.
Now I'm going to measure your height and weight.
All right.
Now listen and practice the second conversation.
What did the doctor do during the examination?
She measured my height and weight.
Now listen and practice another conversation based on the second model.
What did the nurse do during the examination?
He took my temperature.
Now listen and practice the third conversation.
So, how do you like our new scale?
It's very nice, Doctor.
Medical and dental procedures. Listen and practice the words.
Clean the wound. Close the wound. Dress the wound. Clean your teeth. Examine your teeth. Give you a shot of anesthetic. Give you a shot of Novocaine. Drill the cavity. Fill the tooth. Waiting room. Receptionist. Insurance card. Medical history form. Examination room. Doctor. Physician. Patient. Nurse. cotton balls, alcohol, stitches, gauze, tape, injection, shot, crutches, ice pack, prescription, sling, cast, brace, dental hygienist, mask, gloves, dentist, dental assistant, drill, filling.
Model conversations. Listen and practice the first conversation.
Now I'm going to clean the wound.
Okay.
Now listen and practice two other conversations based on the first model.
Now I'm going to give you an injection.
Okay.
Now I'm going to put your arm in a sling.
Okay.
Now listen and practice the second conversation.
I need cotton balls.
Here you are.
Now listen and practice another conversation based on the second model.
I need a mask.
Here you are.
Medical advice. Listen and practice the words.
Rest in bed. Drink fluids. Gargle. Go on a diet. Exercise. Take vitamins. See a specialist. Get acupuncture. Heating pad. Humidifier. Air purifier. Cane. Walker. Wheelchair. Blood work. Blood tests. Tests. Physical therapy. Surgery. Counseling. Braces.
Model conversations. Listen and practice the first conversation.
I think you should rest in bed.
I see.
Now listen and practice two other conversations based on the first model.
I think you should use a heating pad.
I see.
I think you need blood work.
I see.
Now listen and practice the second conversation.
What did the doctor say?
The doctor thinks I should drink fluids.
Now listen and practice two other conversations based on the second model.
What did the doctor say?
The doctor thinks I should use a humidifier.
What did the doctor say?
The doctor thinks I need tests.
Medicine. Listen and practice the words.
Aspirin. Cold tablets. Vitamins. Cough syrup. Non-aspirin pain reliever. Cough drops. Throat lozenges. Antacid tablets. Decongestant spray. Nasal spray. Eye drops. Ointment. Cream. Cream. Lotion. Pill. Tablet. Capsule. Caplet. Teaspoon. Tablespoon.
Model conversations. Listen and practice the first conversation.
What did the doctor say?
She told me to take aspirin.
Now listen and practice two other conversations based on the first model.
What did the doctor say?
She told me to take a non-aspirin pain reliever.
What did the doctor say?
He told me to use cough drops.
Now listen and practice the second conversation.
What's the dosage?
1 pill every 4 hours.
Medical specialists. Listen and practice the words.
Cardiologist. Gynecologist. Pediatrician. Gerontologist. Allergist. Orthopedist. Ophthalmologist. Ear, nose, and throat specialist. ENT specialist. Audiologist. Physical therapist. Counselor. Therapist. Psychiatrist. Gastroenterologist. Chiropractor. Acupuncturist. Orthodontist.
Model conversations. Listen and practice the first conversation.
I think you need to see a specialist. I'm going to refer you to a cardiologist.
A cardiologist?
Yes.
Now listen and practice the second conversation.
When is your next appointment with the allergist?
It's at 11 o'clock on March 9th.
The hospital. Listen and practice the words.
Patient's room. Patient. Hospital gown. Hospital bed. Bed control. Call button. IV. Vital signs monitor. Bed table. Bedpan. Medical chart. Doctor. Physician. Nurse's station. Nurse. Dietitian. Orderly. Operating room. Surgeon. Surgical nurse. anesthesiologist, waiting room, volunteer, birthing room, delivery room, obstetrician, midwife, nurse midwife, emergency room, ER, emergency medical technician, EMT, gurney, radiology department, X-ray technician, radiologist, laboratory, lab, lab technician.
Model conversations. Listen and practice the first conversation.
This is your hospital gown.
I see.
Now listen and practice the second conversation.
Do you work here?
Yes, I'm a doctor.
Now listen and practice the third conversation.
Where's the doctor?
She's in the patient's room.
Now listen and practice another conversation based on the third model.
Where's the doctor?
He's at the nurse's station.
Personal hygiene. Listen and practice the words.
Brush my teeth. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Floss my teeth. Dental floss. Gargle. Mouthwash. Whiten my teeth. Teeth whitener. Bathe. Take a bath. Soap. Bubble bath. Take a shower. Shower cap. Wash my hair. Shampoo. Conditioner. Rinse. Dry my hair. Hair dryer. Blow dryer. Comb my hair. Comb. Brush my hair. Hairbrush. Brush. Style my hair. Hot comb. Curling iron. Hairspray. Hair gel. Bobby pin. Barrette. Hair clip. Shave. Shaving cream. Razor. Razor blade. Electric shaver. Styptic pencil. Aftershave lotion. Aftershave. Do my nails. Nail file. Emery board. Nail clipper. Nail brush. Scissors. Nail polish. Nail polish remover. Put on. Deodorant. Hand lotion. body lotion, powder, cologne, perfume, sunscreen, put on makeup, blush, rouge, foundation, base, moisturizer, face powder, eyeliner, eyeshadow, mascara, eyebrow pencil, lipstick, polish my shoes, shoe polish, shoelaces.
Model conversations. Listen and practice the first conversation.
What are you doing?
I'm brushing my teeth.
Now listen and practice the second conversation.
Excuse me, where can I find toothbrushes?
They're in the next aisle.
Now listen and practice the third conversation.
Excuse me, where can I find toothpaste?
It's in the next aisle.
Baby care. Listen and practice the words.
Feed. Baby food. Bib. Bottle. Nipple. Formula. Liquid vitamins. Vitamins. Change the baby's diaper. Disposable diaper. Cloth diaper. Diaper pin. Baby wipes. Wipes. Baby powder. Training pants. Ointment. Bathe. Baby shampoo. Cotton swab. Baby lotion. Hold. Pacifier. Teething ring. Nurse. Dress. Rock. Child care center. Child care worker. Rocking chair. Read to. Cubby. Play with. Toys.
Model conversations. Listen and practice the first conversation.
What are you doing?
I'm feeding the baby.
Now listen and practice another conversation based on the first model.
What are you doing?
I'm changing the baby's diaper.
Now listen and practice the second conversation.
Do we need anything from the store?
Yes, we need some more bibs.
Now listen and practice another conversation based on the second model.
Do we need anything from the store?
Yes, we need some more baby food.